Hello guys, my name is Alexander. First of all, I just want to thank Saad Ali for giving me the opportunity to learn Forex for free, to join the Forex for Beginners Academy. I just want to say guys, it's been a really good journey and so far I've learned from beginning until now to the charting tools that I need like TradingView, how to open a demo account. So when I'm ready to trade, I can use the demo account instead. I've also learned in the trading so far how to find support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, candlestick analysis, risk management, trend lines and channels. And I've also learned how to read and analyze price charts on TradingView. It's been amazing so far. And I just want to say I've also had the opportunity to join the private student group to post my charts and get feedback on where I'm at so far. And I also get the chance to interact with the other students and people who've learned from Saad Ali. It's been amazing, and one of the best opportunities I had. And I just want to thank Saad Ali for giving me the opportunity.